winter had its moments, okay, but it's spring now. It's time to open the windows, let the fresh air inside the house. Time to declutter, time to deep clean the house, time to make this house look good.
Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you gotta
So,
see what you
as you
asked
can see,
for.
the state of my house is not impressive, and we definitely need to fix this. You know, you can't be a hot girl and have a house that looks like this.
Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when that hotline bling, you can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing.
These are dry,
Ever
so
since I left the city, you got a reputation for
this
yourself.
was gonna get dry. Fairly not.
Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor.
I accidentally cut my gloves, so yeah. I have to buy a new one. I haven't bought new ones yet, so I'm gonna have to keep using the torn one because it's better than completely not having any gloves on, And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this, let the water run.
Ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you.
Know it gets better, even in the rain. You gotta keep your head up. I let her tell it, she said she fed up. I'm like whatever when she never says better. I put the diamond on your fist, rock the color. I put the lead in you and now we here together. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need. You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need.
My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got thudders and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got thudders and 100 rounds too.
Voila. What is this?
Switching my hoes like my flows. Switching my flows like my clothes. Keep on shooting that gun, no reload. Ooh. Now she won't fuck with my crew. Cause the money come all out the roof. Drop the Rari, that bitch got no roof. Wait, what kind of road? 458. All of these niggas they hate. Try to hide you through the gate. Go to strip club, make it rain. Yeah, so much money they use rates. They got 100,000 in your face. Yeah, they put 300 right in a safe. Met her today. Yeah, she talked to me like she knew me. Yeah, go to sleep in a jacuzzi. Yeah, waking up right to a two-piece. Yeah, counting that paper like loose leaf. Yeah, eating that chicken with blue cheese. Yeah, boy, you so fake like my college. You snake and I swear to God that be that Gucci. Hey, you know we winning. Yeah, we is not losing. Try to play your song, it ain't moving. So your girl wants that she choosing. Yeah, raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the car. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got thudders and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got thudders and 100 rounds too.
I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. Feel good, look great. Shapes like a number 8.
Flowers. It was
Titties real, look fake. Yeah. Eat
really
up,
cute.
whole plate.
Um,
I'm bait. Sex drive,
I will
gateway.
put them in a vase after I've showered so that we can see them. Like when the house is properly clean.
Drop that ass down, make it stand up.
And make sure you cycle this far. Perfect the four. Remove your name from the box here. Okay. Just these are the boxes ready to get rid of.
I'm in my go yard, you go girl.
Now I can stay there.
I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. Big mom, no kids. Waiting for the right nigga, right time. Bitches hearing through the grapevine, I'm hearing GIA certified. Is you gon' make it rain for these thunder thighs? Yeah, I'm a 10 and a freak. I'm only spitting out this ring. Play with me, don't play with me. Hey, I hoes ain't had emotion when the doorbell ring. 10 French tip toast and then these Dolce heels. Same maggot ass hoes stay on my dick for real. Man, what the fuck I look like tripping off some dick for real? God ain't stopped making them when he made his for real. I'm so summer on a nigga way, I switch him out. On my mama, I give a nigga something to figure out. Look who tripping out. She done switched around. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. Good skin, rich too. Still doing it like Rent do. Used to have a chip too for the synthetic, not a wig glued. I'm a homeowner with a swim pool. Built like figure 8, I'd be intimidated. Team tight, can't penetrate. Many men who minute men ain't any men I ever date. Generate more money than I blow it all on my own girls. Then I go home, chauffeur. Get home, so bad. Feet hurt, sore abs, tight calves. I like that, but it's like that for the show, girl. In my backyard getting dome, girl. In a sun chair with my toes, girl. In his bedroom on a poster. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl. I'm in my go yard, you go girl.
perfectly so. With jewelry bag. Mind you, I have a jewelry box. But do I keep my jewelry in the jewelry box? No. See, it's all shoved in here. I'll sort it later. But I'm scared of putting my Tiffany necklace in here. I don't want it tangled. Because I'm gonna pop it in the little bag.
know you a bad bitch. Classy nails, French tip. These bitches can't sit with you. White toes for the hoe. Chanel bag off the Chanel swag. I swear I'm feeling you. You ain't just cute, you getting money too. I'm finna trick on. Bet you know you fine though. Bet you know you fine. Bet you know you fine.
Okay. So if you guys remember, I mentioned that I got some surprise flowers yesterday from my boyfriend. So we need to put them in a vase. Okay? Period. Ooh, what is this vase? Yeah. This one is a bit a bit of a clean vase, but it's not, perfect. But it will do. Right, I like to put my water at like a 3/4 level like this. I don't like to overfill it, but I don't also like to put like not enough water, So, yeah. Anyway, let's do this. I need a scissors. Put some flower cubes. Let's open it. Pop it in it. I feel like buying like a bottle of flower food, but I do get flowers quite a lot. And sometimes I feel like my flowers die quickly, but when I change the water, I normally don't have any more flower food. Wow. They not gorgeous, guys. Like, it smells nice too. So normally I would take them out one by one and then cut them, then put them in the vase. But I don't know, man. I'm feeling a bit lazy today. Okay, let's do it. Let's just do it. Okay, we have 3 batches. Oh, I'm feeling a bit lazy today. But also at the same time, I'm like, I need the leaves to go out. Anyway, I have no choice. I have to do this. I have to do them individually. Gorgeous flowers. Makes me happy.
Top floor motel suite, twisting my cigars, floor model TV with the VCR. Got rubies in my damn chain. Whip ain't got no gas tank, but it still got wood grain. Got your girl working for me. Hit the strip and my bills paid. That keep my bills paid.
This is so precious. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna need to do 2 bases instead of 1. Because we have a lot of plants.
She's working at the pyramid tonight.
So as I mentioned, guys, we're gonna need 2 vases. So the first vase, this is what it looks like. Gorgeous, right?
Working at the pyramid tonight. Yeah. Working at the pyramid. Ooh. Working at the pyramid tonight. Working at the pyramid. You showed up after work and bathing your body, touch you in places only I know. You're wet and you're warm, just like our bad water can be with love before you go. The way you say my name makes me feel like I'm that nigga, but I'm still unemployed. say it's big, but right out, girl. But your love ain't free no more, baby. But your love ain't free.
Got two vases of flowers. Which one is your favorite? I feel like this one is brighter, right? And then we have this one. So which one is gonna go in the living room? I had originally said the one with the tulips, but I also like how bright this is. I feel like this, I love the brightness, and I want to add that brightness into my living room. But this also looks like classier. I don't know. It's just more wholesome, more full, more classy. But I know these are probably gonna die first because there's no flower fruit in these ones. So as promised, the one with flower fruit are coming in here. We're gonna put them on this window. So both my windows have flowers now. So there they are. Don't they look delicious and like just gorgeous? Like you can just eat them. Incense? Is it incense? I forgot what the name, but down there. And we are done, guys.